Well, there it is. There's my masterpiece. We're going to take these up to the house and reinforce this. I'm going to put some blocks under them. I'm worried about that. What we got here is a ladder made to get up and down off the knuckle boom. But it's Daddy throwed it together yesterday for him to get up and down on it. I reckon I wasn't out there. But his screws is busting out of the steps here, so I'm going to repair it. My plan is to cut some of these cedar strips and to screw them under the step right there. That'll reinforce it to where maybe it won't fall down with him. There's a ladder made to get up and down off of it, but the steps are far apart, and as you get older, it gets harder to pick your feet way up high and step up on something, so he made him this to get up and down on it, so I want to fix it to where it won't fall with him. The step is 5 1/4, so we'll make us a mark on our saw there and cut them 5 1/4. We'll put the saw down and butt the saw blade with our tape and measure over here and make us a mark on 5 1/4. And then we'll just run our pieces over to that and chop off some of them. We'll just slide it over to our mark there. Let me turn the vacuum on. It's probably gonna be loud. I'm gonna drill holes in it with this little countersink bit here. That cedar is bad to split, so I'm gonna drill the holes through it, and then this right here will dish out the spot for the head. Usually that's when this will bust, is when you pull the head down in there flush. So who else has tools made by everybody? I've got Hitachi, I've got Makita, I've got Craftsman. I've got a little bit of everything. I see that right there, what that drill bit does is countersinks your screw head for you. That's what I was wanting. We'll try to make some kind of handrail on them too. Just something for him to hold on to as he's walking up and down it to keep his balance. We'll see if this works. Screw a block under these steps. I didn't really have the screws needed for this, but I think this will be better than nothing. Oh yeah, them pulled up pretty good and tight. Well, there we go. It's got 2 of them on. I like 10 more, I think. Y'all put down in the comments if you see something interesting around the sawmill that you want to know more about. Put it down in the comments. I'll try to make a video about it. Or let me know what kind of videos you like. I just try to put things up on there that I do around here. Some people find it interesting. Leave some comments. I like to read them. Share it. Hit the thumbs up or thumbs down button. I got us a few cedar pieces here that we'd ripped off some boards out there at the sawmill. I think these will work all right for a little handrail on that. We'll cut them, put them on there and see what they do. I don't know how tall hardly to make them things. We'll start at 3 foot. See how that works out. I believe that'll be plenty long. I'm going to try to screw through into this step and that step if it'll work out that way. Get this other one put on here somewhere or another. Then I'll put a rail down through there. This probably don't look straight up and down, but I'm not going for that. I'm just going for a rail for him to hold on to. It's going to probably rot in a couple years anyway. Now I need to get me a rail going over top of them. We'll have this project done. I got some angles drawn on these. I'll cut them and then we'll be ready to put the rail on it. The final touch here. Putting the handrail on. We'll get this done, we'll be ready to go try it out. I go through more bits. I reckon they just ain't any count. I guess I need to buy a good set. I buy the Cobalt and DeWalt ones, and they're just not any good. I hadn't found any of them, but they strip out easy. China made junk, I guess. That feels good to me. Moving on up. Alright, let's go try it out. Well, there it is. There's my masterpiece. It's got steps that I can get up on right here. Right here's the way I'll probably be getting on it. He needed these to help him get up there on it. Well, I'm going to try them out. If they fall, maybe you'll catch me. They're not the worst thing in the world. I think I need to strap them to it somehow or another. But anyway, this is Burnt Church. I'll see you in the next one.